Hello, it's me again. Tonight we are doing Unit 3, Lesson 4.1. We're going to break this lesson into two pieces tonight to make it a little easier digestion. So our focus is multiply any two fractions. And we're going to kind of break it down to give you two different methods to do that. Tonight we're going to focus on using fraction bars to model multiplying unit fractions. One thing I wish I would have said last night was it's really important to make sure that you're drawing the models. Drawing these models will help you in other areas of math, such as when we do a CGI problem or when you're doing an activity card. It just helps with your understanding. So make sure that if I'm doing a model that you're doing at least one or two of those same models in your own notebook so you have those to refer to. So using bar models to multiply fractions looks a little like this. Miguel explains how to use fraction bars to find 2/5 times 4/5. First, he circles 4/5. Notice the blue circles here, okay, on the fifths fraction bar. So here's a fraction bar that's divided into fifths, and he has 4/5. Now, to find 2/3 of 4/5, I can circle 2/3 of each fifth, which means I first have to split each of the fifths into 3 parts, and that's what's been done here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So after I do this, the bar is now divided into 15ths. Hopefully you're seeing that right here. So now it's easy to circle those 2/3, and it says 2/3 times 1/5. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Each group I circled has 2/15ths. So I circled 4 groups of 2/15ths. That's 8/15ths in all. So 2/3 times 4/5 equals 8/15ths. Now this is just a visual representation. Some of you might already start seeing the generalization or the pattern that you need to see here. But we're going to do a few more just to make the picture a little brighter. If you want to pause this so that you can draw the 3 different examples of the bar models, that would be a good idea. Otherwise, we are going to move on to the next example. Okay. So the first thing I need to do with 3/4 times 5/6 would be to circle 5 of my 6ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the next thing is I need to make these into 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 pieces in each one of these 6. Hopefully you're seeing 24 pieces here, because 4 pieces in each one of these would be 24 pieces. Now, if I was multiplying by 3/4, I need to circle 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. So how many pieces do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 24ths. We're going to do it again. Now I have a 7ths bar down here. And just in case you're wondering, what does she mean by 7ths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This bar is already broken into 7 equal pieces. First things first, 2/3 times 4/7. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, these need to be split into thirds, which gives me 3 times 7, 21 pieces. Okay? Now, 2/3, 4/7 times 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3 is 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 21st pieces. 2/3 times 4/7 is 8 21st. So hopefully you're starting to see that multiplying fractional parts, fractions by fractions, is you're just breaking those pieces into smaller pieces. You're multiplying the amount of fractional pieces. There is another method, and we're going to go over that tomorrow night. But for tonight, this is the only part that you're responsible for. Please make sure that you have these models in your notebook. Any type of models that you can see that are neat and clear will really help your understanding with this. Pictures help everything with fractions. So if you need to, rewind it, check it out again, and make sure those notes are nice and crystal clear for you. Have a nice night.